No calories, no carbs, vitamin B-induced energy, great taste and flavor, no chemical aftertaste. We love all of the Inferno flavors, and order on a regular basis. Works excellently with keto or paleo diets. Kick diet soda to the curb, PPL. This is a healthy energy drink. My husband and I have lost a combined 60 pounds on keto, in 2 months, with our physician's blessings. We love you, Rain Inferno. Honesty, I never had an interest in trying this. Then, one day, when I ordered another flavor, this one got shipped to me accidentally. I figured why not try it. It's now one of my favorites. It's somewhat of a fruit punch flavor. In typical Rain fashion, they make it taste great without loading it with sugar. I've since continued to purchase it. I have tasted all 3 Inferno drinks. Red Dragon and Jalapeno Strawberry is my favorite. True Blue is okay, but I don't care for raspberries, so it's not my favorite. I will say that the first time I tasted the JS I was not sure about it, but after drinking it a second time I actually like it. I like it because it's different. My belief is that you will like it or hate it. My suggestion is to buy them in the store before ordering a case. Have ordered a 12-pack of Orange Dreamsicle and Inferno Red Dragon so far. Both arrived undamaged, besides some of the plastic being a little ragged. But nothing was loose, dented, leaking or otherwise. I could see someone being unprepared for how dense the weight is, of the box, though, and dropping it mid-delivery. The Orange Dreamsicle arrived with something all over the top of a few cans, white specks. I have no idea what it was, but it washed right off. Of course, I was thorough. Closing parenthesis. Decent deal, they run $2 per can where I live. So far, no complaints ordering them from Amazon. This is the best flavor of Rain. It's so good, kind of a fruit punch type of flavor. I've tried the other Inferno flavors and they are just okay. Love that this only has 10 calories and supposedly helps you burn calories too. I've seen a lot of reviews saying the cans were messed up or damaged. I'm on my second shipment and am now subscribed because I haven't had any problems. For the Thermofuel flavors, I've had 2 of them. Strawberry Jalapeno and Red Dragon. Both of them are amazing. Strawberry Jalapeno tastes like strawberry with a crisp earthy flavor behind it from the jalapenos. It is not spicy at all, very refreshing, in fact. The Red Dragon tastes like Shasta Fruit Punch soda. They're both perfect for workouts. I'm subscribed to both flavors. One of my favorite flavors beside a marshmallow on by another company. Best way I can describe the taste is, you know the punch people would make for church or school events in the large bowl? Tastes similar to that emo. Now if you're not used to energy drinks at all then you'll taste salt with that, but I love the flavor overall. As for the thermal part, yes, it warms you up if you're moving about. If you're drinking it just to wake up, etc., then no, it won't warm you up like that. At least for me anyways. I enjoyed these. Unfortunately halfway through the 12-pack, they caused me serious abdominal pain. I wasn't drinking enough water throughout the day, so beware of that. Click link in description for more reviews. Check our recommendations.